Hey everyone, welcome back to Yellow Daisy. I'm Theresa. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be participating in the DIY Christmas Centerpiece Challenge hosted by Jessica over at Measure and Mix and Antoinette over at Simply Yet Chic. These two ladies are incredibly talented DIYers. So if you're not familiar with their channels, I will link both their channels and the playlist down below in our description box. And if you're new to our channel, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And for my DIY, I was able to use everything that I already had, except for one thing, and it only cost me $3.50 to make my centerpiece. So I hope you enjoy the video, and let's go on and see how it turned out. Thanks for stopping by, guys. This old wooden crate I found in my grandfather's garage this past summer when we were cleaning it out, and I knew as soon as I saw it that it was coming home with me. So then I just went into my Christmas bins and started pulling things out that I knew that I wanted to decorate my centerpiece with. And then the flocking began. I started with underneath the branches and then turned it right side up and did the top of the branches. And you'll also notice that I hit the tips of the branches just a little bit more, so it kind of looked like the snow was kind of stuck on the tip of the branch. And then for a little added touch, I used the buffalo snowflakes to make it look like it was ice crystals on the snow. Okay, so as you can see, I'm doing this in my dining room, and I did have the spray adhesive to spray over everything to kind of seal it, and that stuff smells awful. So I just went and changed to the aerosol hairspray and used that to seal it, and it worked out just fine. And here's my only purchase for this centerpiece, this snowflake ornament. It was $7 and it was half off at Michael's, so that was $3.50. And it was an ornament, and I didn't need it to be an ornament, so I just took off the bell and the little string. And then I took my wire cutters and just cut off those little holes that was meant for it to be an ornament, and they snapped off just fine. And to attach it, I just took a screw and that little screwdriver and went right into the center of the snowflake and attached it to the board. And now it's time to put everything together. Okay, here's my finished DIY Christmas centerpiece. I'm in love with the way that it turned out. As simple as it was to put together, it's just so special because of that wooden box that I found that my grandfather made many, many years ago. I hope that this video inspired and motivated you. Even if you're not ready to decorate for the holidays yet, just kind of get your mind thinking about something that you can put together as a centerpiece. I want to thank Jessica and Antoinette again for putting this challenge on, and also thank you for stopping by and watching the video. Until next time, friends, bye-bye.